To make Temu packages come faster, it is essential to understand the shipping process and the factors that affect delivery time. Temu is an online marketplace that connects buyers with sellers from around the world, offering a wide range of products at competitive prices. However, shipping times can vary greatly depending on the seller's location, the shipping method chosen, and the destination of the package. Step 1 is to choose a seller who offers fast shipping. When browsing through products on Temu, look for sellers who have a high rating and offer expedited shipping options. These sellers are more likely to ship products quickly and provide tracking information. Step 2 is to select the fastest shipping method available. Temu offers various shipping options, including standard shipping, expedited shipping, and priority shipping. Expedited shipping is the fastest option, but it is also the most expensive. Priority shipping is a good alternative, as it offers a balance between speed and cost. Step 3 is to provide accurate shipping information. Make sure to enter the correct shipping address, including the street address, city, state, and zip code. Incorrect shipping information can cause delays and even result in lost packages. Step 4 is to track the package. Once the seller has shipped the package, Temu will provide tracking information. Use this information to track the package and stay up to date on its status. This will help you to anticipate when the package will arrive and make any necessary arrangements. In addition to these steps, there are several best practices that can help to make Temu packages come faster. One is to order from sellers who are located close to your location. This can reduce shipping times and lower the risk of delays. Another is to avoid ordering during peak holiday seasons, when shipping times tend to be longer. By following these steps and best practices, you can help to make Temu packages come faster and reduce the risk of delays. Remember to always choose a reliable seller. Select the fastest shipping method available. Provide accurate shipping information, and track the package. With these tips, you can enjoy fast and reliable shipping from Temu.